Alright there guys, I'm here get ready to pick up this Hitachi ZX245 excavator. I'm gonna give you a look at it. This is it here. Got the bucket on there. That's what I'm gonna be loading. So as soon as I get it on there, I'll show you how I secure it. I'll show you how to secure this thing. Got a lot of dirt in it, so I'm trying to see if I can get some of the rocks and stuff off before I put it on the trailer, because I don't want to be driving down the road and chips be all on people's cars and report me. So I'm trying to see if I can get some of that off before I load it. But that is it. Alright there guys, I'm inside. So here's the display panel. Got your fuel, coolant, all your other stuff on there. This is your pedals right here. Move it forward, right track forward, left track back. I'm sorry, I don't know my direction. I mean my left and my right. So yeah, right track forward, right track go backwards, left track forward, and left track backwards. These right there, they don't do anything. They just put your foot so you can rest. But yeah, you can also use your hands to move this too. You don't have to use your feet. Then you got your levers to control. That will be controlling the boom, open, close. Everything is on this. Everything is on this joystick right here. And then for this joystick is to spin the whole cab around left and right. I believe up and down, but we'll see. I'm trying to find a good place where I can sit this at so you guys can get a view at it, but I don't want to sit on the floor because the floor is dirty. So let me see what I can do. I can tell if y'all seeing this, so I don't think that's gonna be good. Dang, I don't know where I'm gonna be able to put this at. So I guess I'm gonna just have to get another excavator some other time and show you how to do it. This one too dirty for me to set this on the floor, so just bear with me and I'll show you how I'm gonna chain it down. Alright, next up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time to go ahead and chain it down. I already got it loaded on my trailer, so everything look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my chains out and start chaining it down. Oh man, I gotta slide that block over. Oh, that sucker barely sitting on there. I'll be right back. Alright then, now time to chain up. So I'm put my shackles on for this one. My hooks here. Alright, this how I chain up. If this hole was bigger, I wouldn't be using these shackles, but that's how I do it. Do that one, and then turn the camera to this one. Hopefully you can see it. That one right here. Chain. There we go, short chain. I cross them. Tied down right here. D-ring. Can't see it. Pan this camera down. So you can see what I'm doing. Now, if I had lightning holes in the inside of my trailer, like I was letting folks know in my previous video, when I was going over the trailer specs of it. That's why I wish I had D-rings. But since I don't have D-rings or lightning holes in the center of my trailer, which I'm gonna show you again what I'm talking about, so you know what I'm talking about. This would have been a lot more easier. But I'll get them soon. I will get them soon. This is what I want to show you. See, I don't have no D-rings or no lightning holes in the center of my trailer. It's on both sides too. So and that's front to back. So that's what I was meaning by no D-ring. So, but that's how I do it. Cross all my chains. So this one going from there over this side. That's what I'll be doing. So let's peep what I'm doing. hook one on the track and do the same thing. I put a hook on the track. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people swear by doing it a different way, but I put a hook on it on my track and I carry it right across there. So here we go. Let me get this thing straight. I threw all the daggone binders on this side. A lot of people don't do that either. You do it too much, they spin off. This piece right here. Spin off a bush in the face, but my arm's long enough and I keep it away from my face, so that's why I spin it like that. Tight. Coming on the cross. Why this camera lean? Keep on adjusting the daggone thing. Alright. done with that. Now I'm gonna put y'all in the shade and let y'all see how y'all already know how I do the front. I'm gonna do the front. Y'all already seen how I do the front. The back I'm gonna do the same way. And then when I get to the boom, I will show you how I do the boom. So watch me work while you're in the shade. Alright there, folks. Sorry about making you look at the sky. It is clear though. But last part is this bucket. So what I do is turn this camera. So this hook, this hole here, this is where I run my chain at. I run it through here. Let's go to the D-rings. That's right there. To pull it backwards a little bit. Just a hold. It's just for to hold this down on that wood there. So that's all it's for. Hold the bucket on the wood. So I guess you won't be able to see it, but I'm gonna leave it right here. That way you can at least see where I'm throwing the chain at. Sorry guys, had to give me another daggone short phone. They want to use another long one for this, so had to dig in the box for one. Besides, since I came off of home time, I didn't have my stuff set up, which I should have had, but my truck was in the shop, and then I just went on here and got me a load. So again, I should have had it all out, but you know, when you're on home time, you ain't thinking about that, and then when you come off of home time, you still ain't thinking about it. So sorry for keeping y'all waiting this long. But there we go. There you have it. Everything all chained up, looking nice and tight. Everything looking nice and tight. All I gotta do now is put this exhaust sock on. So not only do I do these videos just to show y'all what I do, but also give you tips on some things. So you can buy this sock right here. It goes on the exhaust there. This for a Volvo. Volvo's exhaust socks, they big like this because the exhaust is like a square at the top and it goes down to a triangle at the bottom. It gets wider. So you can buy these at any Volvo, not Volvo car, but Volvo machinery dealership where they sell machinery at. Normally they, I don't know where I left off at. My battery had died, so I switched the batteries. But this sock right here, this is the exhaust sock. It goes up on there. You can buy those at any Volvo machinery dealer, not the car dealer. Volvo machinery dealer. This one is specifically for theirs, but you can use it on like cats and all that since they're circle. Theirs also circle and small. Volvo's the only one they got the oddball one where it's square at the top and then goes down and it gets wide at the bottom. So you get one of those. Normally they have them in stock. So, but yeah, that's how you chain down this excavator. I'm gonna go ahead and put my flags on, my banners, flip my sign around, get my height, and then get ready to hit the road. Get y'all some drive time videos. So there you have it. Hitachi ZX245. That's the model number. It'll be 58,000 pounds. Well, they say 57,380, but I'm gonna say 58. So there you have it. Alright there, so that's the end of it. Time to get these flags and stuff up.